Mic check, 1, 2, 3, 4. Am I loud? Am I clear? Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be live in just 9 minutes and 35 seconds to cover the gold and silver market close. We're going to cover the breaking gold and silver news. Remember, it's about to close for the whole weekend. I'm going to be answering your questions, and then members will be going to a war room. We'll be live here in 9 minutes and 20 seconds. Sorry, I just choked on a nacho. Who's ready? My pleasure, West Texas. Guys, we're going to be live in just 7 minutes and 55 seconds covering the breaking gold and silver news. We're going to watch the Comex close together. Are the bankers going to attack? Smash that like button if you're ready. We'll be live in 7 minutes and 40 seconds here. Who's ready? I am viciously scarfing down dinner right now as we speak. We're going to be live in 7 minutes, ladies and gentlemen. We are Stackers. We're going to be covering the market close for the weekend, the breaking gold and silver news. Smash the like button if you're ready. Who's got intestinal fortitude?
From Tokyo nights to Rio sun, from Arctic ice to island drums, every stamp on my page, another drop in the wave, silver stackers, answer the call. Voices rise like a tidal wall.
Let's go! No Raptor runs today. Ladies and gentlemen, the name's International Stacker. We're about to be live here in 5 minutes and 25 seconds. Please smash the like button. Only 43 more to 100. We're going to cover the breaking gold and silver news. We're going to cover the market close together. Going to break it all down and help you read the tea leaves live in just 5 minutes and 15 seconds. Who's ready? Better yet, who's with me?
Riches untold. International Stacker, here to say, shiny vibes coming your way. Silver shines, gold's the glow. chasing that mill. Coins and bars, rare to find.
Let's go.
Treasure hunting, one of a kind.
Let's go.
Join the crew.
Who's ready?
Explore, stack up wealth and so much more.
Let's go. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, we're about to be live in just 4 minutes and 15 seconds.
Chasing that mill.
Covering the market close for the whole weekend. 1 second here.
Maps and clues, giveaways tonight.
Okay, I just posted the post on X for the market close. If you're on X, please go retweet that.
Roll the dice.
There we go. 3 minutes and 50 seconds till we're live. Who's ready?
Silver shines, gold's the glow. Stack it high, watch it grow. Giveaways for all, feel the thrill. International, stack 'em that mill. So hit that flow, join the quest. Riches await, you're the best. International stacker, stacking strong. Silver, gold, where you belong. Chasing that mill.
All right, I just finished dinner. I was scarfing it. Woo!
So hit that
3 minute warning.
join the quest.
Let's go.
Riches await,
Yes.
you're the best. International stacker.
Stacker.
Stacking strong. Silver, gold, where you belong.
Let's get it.
Chasing that mill. Chasing that mill.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're about to be live in 2 minutes and 30 seconds on YouTube and Facebook.
Crabs.
The market's about to close. What's going to happen? We're going to do it live. Thank you so much, BH Customs, for that super sticker. Appreciate it. Who's ready?
The bee we chase, treasure gleaming.
Come on.
Golden space. Get your claws up, don't delay.
2 minute warning. 2 minute warning. Let's get a crab dance going, guys. If you're ready, drop a crab in chat right now. Get your claws up.
And silver is the key.
Yes.
Nation, dance with me.
Let's get it.
Gold and silver, who wants it all?
Who's ready for the mega gaw?
For the mega gold.
The mega giveaway. Who's ready for that?
The shell brigade.
Let's go.
The music's played. Get your claws up, don't delay. Yeah, join the party night and day.
Get your claws up.
And silver is the key.
Let's go.
Nation, dance with me.
Let's get it. 1 minute warning. 1 minute warning.
Tidal rhythms in the sand. Shiny spoils laid by hand.
Who wants a BGC?
The shell brigade. Treasures
Yes.
found, the music's played.
Let's go.
Your claws up in the sky.
Yes.
International stacker. He's our guy.
Let's go. Do you guys want the old school or little kid intro? Quick, the old school or little kid, what do you want? 30-second warning. Let's get it. Let's go, let's go. 15-second warning here. Here we go.
Dance with me.
One stacker on a journey to find silver. International Stacker.
What is up, ladies and gentlemen? The name's International Stacker, and I'm coming to you live from Key West, Florida, where I'm closer to Cuba than a Walmart, ladies and gentlemen. 2,000 videos around the world, and I've got multiple videos this last few. Look, this is in Florida with pawnbroker pickers at the coin show. This is at a coin shop in Prague. Others call it Praha. This is why you should not be depressed. If you're asking me if you should sell your silver and gold now, watch that video. It's going to motivate you. And this one right here, silver to explode in 2026, the secret catalyst bankers are hiding. Make sure to go watch those videos. They're all heaters. We're sitting at 67,887 subscribers. That means we only need 13 more subscribers, ladies and gentlemen, to the big show. And if you need no other reason to subscribe than this, I'm giving away a ton of silver, gold, and copper in the upcoming mega giveaway. Look at that treasure chest. It's filling up. It's going to keep filling up, and all you got to do is be subscribed. A big shout out to everyone watching right now on YouTube and everyone watching on Facebook. Smash the like button. We're about to jump right into it, and let's look what happened today. And boy, was it a wild, wild day for silver. So here we go. Silver was as low today as 67.51. It was as high as 71.65. It's currently sitting at 70.06. Let's check the futures. We are in backwardation. We are in backwardation. 60. We are in backwardation. 69.96. Yeah, that's where the silver futures price is cheaper than the current spot price. That means people want their silver and they want it now.
It's my silver and I want it now. My silver and I want it now. My silver and I want it now.
Yes, and Rat Stacker is my daughter, a.k.a. the Goblin. So we're at $70.01 right now on silver. And I'm going to mark this here. We want to finish above 70. That's our goal. I'm going to make it orange. That is our goal, to finish above that line. And we are in a green candle here, 70.07. We'll see how much higher we could go. Again, we were all the way up to 71.65 earlier. So as of right now, silver on the trading date's up 3.04%. Here's what we're fighting for. Let me switch this to the 1 week candle for you guys. Let me go like that. We are fighting to have our first weekly green candle in a month. The last 3 candles were red. We want this one to be green, and that is what the bankers are fighting against right now. So we're going to see if we can hold. If we can hold above 70 for the next 17 minutes, we're going to get it. So let's see what could happen here, guys. Do you think we're going to hold? Are we going to hold the line, channel members? You know what MOG to drop in chat right now. Are we going to hold the line? Let's look at gold. Gold was as low today as 4,404. It was as high as 4,556. Currently, it's trading at 45.09. And for this one, we want to finish above 4,500. So let's mark that. Okay, we want to be above 4,500 there. We want to be above 70 here on close. Let's see if we could do it. Let's check the weekly chart here for gold. Let me fix that. And we are green for gold as well. The last 3 months were red. And again, the bankers want both gold and silver to be red. Can we hold them off, guys? Can we hold the line in 15 minutes and 45 seconds left? We're going to find out. All the stackers, collectors, hoarders, numismatists, alongside our brethren and sisters from Wall Street Silver, Wall Street Bets, literally holding the line against the big bankers. Can we hold the line? We're going to find out together here. And I've got a bunch of gold and silver news for you. Currently, the gold to silver ratio is 64.3 ounces of silver for every ounce of gold. And Shanghai was as low as 76.27. It was as high as 80.84. And it closed on an upward trend green candle at 79.86. So at 79.86, we're currently 69.97. That's about a $10 premium from the west to the east. Listen closely. Can you hear that vacuum cleaner from China sucking up all the gold and silver? Because that's literally happening right now. I'm going to cover your questions here in a little bit. I want to share with you guys a couple pieces of news, and then we will come back to the charts for market close. That's in just 14 minutes and 40 seconds there. Smash the like button if you like my streams. If you want to support the streams, one little click helps me so much, and we're only 33 likes away from 200, so keep smashing it. Oh, Comex inventory. Let's start with that. Here's the Comex inventory, guys, and I will make this into a tweet, and I clean up the report so it's readable, but bottom line up front. Yesterday, 1.14 million ounces left the registered category. So we're down here to 76 million. Let me zoom in a little bit. So we're down here to 76 million, okay, and registered. And so out of that to 1.1, so let's go here. This is the withdrawal. Okay. Okay, it's a little confusing. So here's what happened. Okay. CNT Depository received in 599,000 ounces. So that's here. And then what happened is we had withdrawals of 850,000 there. Net change of negative 250K here. We had 1 million pulled out of the register. It's convoluted. I'll put the tweet out that explains it all, but just know we lost 1 million here. And that went mostly into eligible. So if you look here, for instance, Asahi took 682,000 out of registered. It went to eligible. Brinks did the same thing with 50K. Loomis did the same thing with 200K. StoneX did the same thing with 200K. So that's 1.1 million out of the register, down to 76 million. We're nearly into 75 millions now. And 250,000 left the vaults forever, never to return. Total drain. So there's your quick Comex inventory, the first news of the day. And BH Customs with another super sticker. Thank you so much, guys. BH Customs made this crab here, and he donated it to Miss Ida for the auction for St. Jude's, and somebody won it and donated it here. You guys voted, so we're keeping it here. And I originally was going to add that to the giveaway in the Mega God box, but instead I added I added this Britannia instead, and the good news is it's not a 2026 Britannia, so it should be silver. Should not be copper nickel, although those coins are probably worth a ton right now. So check out BH Customs. He pours all the time. So let me get some more breaking news for you here. So gold prices rise as Trump signals progress in Iran talks. Gold bounced today after President Trump said negotiations with Iran are making progress, easing some immediate geopolitical fears. This shows how sensitive gold remains to headlines. And guys, everything right now is reacting to headlines and tweets, honestly. Fundamentals are kind of out the door right now. It's like all on tweets and headlines, the market's moving. And by the market, I mean the complete market. So look, the DXY is at 100. Stock market, Dow Jones down 793. S&P's down 100. NASDAQ's down 454. Oil's all up. Oh, wow, look at this. U.S. oil up 7%. WTI 6.7. Crude 7.5. That popped, guys. Wow, 5.7 for Brent. So it is exploding there. This shows how sensitive gold remains to the headlines. What's up, Ida? Good to see you. One positive comment on talks can trigger short-term selling, even as the bigger structural drivers, central bank buying, debt, inflation risks, all that remain intact. And guys, the fundamentals have not changed in gold and silver. None of them. Remember that. As headlines move prices on everything. Here's another big one, and this was passed to me by Ali. Oh, man, I was on the wrong screen. Gah! Here's another big one here from Ali that was passed to me from Kuwait. Kuwait is cracking down on gold shops. Fines issued for pricing and sales violations. Kuwait's Ministry of Commerce has started citing gold shops for breaking pricing and sales regulations amid surging demand and price volatility. They issued 5 violation reports. This comes as physical gold buying remains extremely strong across the Middle East, with many shops seeing record traffic during recent dips. When governments start actively policing the gold trade, it's often a sign that the retail demand is running hot and supply is getting thin. So there we go. There's the article if you want to go read that. But that was a pretty big piece of news there. Oh, that's just a tweet I put out talking about fake coins. Guys, there's so many fakes. So many fakes. You guys got to protect yourselves. Okay, thank you to everyone who tunes into my live streams week after week. Our love for the silver and gold unite us. Who has intestinal fortitude? This is in response to Bam. Thank you so much. Bam said, yes, this was after this morning's live stream. They said, thanks for being you always live, always making content. You have taught so much over the last 3 weeks. Protect your stack now. Keep staying positive. Love your stream, brother. Well, thank you so much, Bam. Really appreciate that. And another short there and there. Okay, another piece of news here. And we got 10 minutes till the market closes. Let's get a quick update. So they are smashing us. Ladies and gentlemen, they're smashing us. Can we hold the line? Can we get back over 70? Let's see. We'd still be up We're still up 2.63% on silver, 2.7 on gold. Let's see if we still have a weekly green candle or not. Okay, we still have a weekly green candle. So we're going to see if we can hold the weekly green candle, guys. That is our attack plan. As a matter of fact, I'm going to go in there right now.
Dudley! Smith! A fallen hard with one arm! Wow. Oh my God! Oh no, he's not! Major choke slam!
Okay, the next piece of news here. UBS halts withdrawals from $469 million real estate fund for up to 3 years. Another domino falls, guys. Remember, I've been talking about private equity for some time. This could be the thing that collapses the market, or just one of the things that causes a big market correction, crash, whatever you want to call it. UBS just suspended redemptions from its Euro Invest real estate fund, citing insufficient liquidity. This is the latest in a growing list of major funds locking the gates on investor money. They put the money in. They're supposed to be able to get it out, but shocker, they can't. This follows Blue Owl, Apollo, Ares, and many, many others since January. And when even big institutions start restricting access to supposedly alternative assets, it's a clear warning sign that liquidity is drying up. Wow. That won't happen with physical gold and silver, guys. You're going to have it. You just got to figure out where to sell it, right? And we dealt with that before. We'll deal with that again. Keith Peavyhouse is saying, thank you so much for the super chat, saying, my crabs have crabs. Do I need help? Yes, Keith Peavyhouse, you immediately need help. The crustaceans are forming now to come and help you. They'll be on their way soon. There we go. They'll all be on their way soon. Okay. Are you guys bearish or bullish? I'm going to read you some things here, and I need you to put in chat if you're bearish or bullish. If you want to be bearish on silver, you point out that the 1 month London silver lease rate has fallen for the past 20 days. If you want to be bullish, you point out that the historical average lease rate was around 0%, and that this lease rate is still far above normal. If you want to be bearish, you point to the downtrend in shares outstanding of ETFs backed by physical silver. If you are bullish, you point out how unusual it is that contango is getting smaller after a silver crash instead of larger. If you want to be bearish, you say rate expectations are rising faster than the inflation expectations, which means real yields for the next 2 years are going up. If you want to be bullish, you say the most important point may be the 1 year silver swap minus rates is still a few percentage points negative when it should be positive. So I like that little tweet there. Wow, and thank you so much, Hoya, guys. Hoya just donated to the Make a Giveaway shipping fund. That is going to be expensive. And I don't know, are we going to have 100 pieces of silver? Just an example here. Like, this treasure chest is full. Like, here's 10 ounces of Silvertown bars. We got 40% commemorative piece. These are silver. Look at that, an Ike. We got germanium and gold. We've got some graded stuff. Graded Eagle. Valcambi. That's 100 grams. We got a rune from Germanium Mint. I mean, it goes on. And on. And on. And on. And on. And on. It just keeps coming. All this is just the silver. It just keeps coming. There's guys, all you got to do is subscribe. All you got to do is subscribe. Turn on those notifications. Find out how and when to win. Look at this. Look at this amazing Onza. And then we got epic copper pieces in here. Look, copper. Look at this. This is 4/9 fine crystallized silver. Guys, who's ready for the mega giveaway? You sounded like a financial advisor there for a moment. That's funny, Variable, because I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just some dude on the internet with crabs. Okay, we're going to go back to the charts here. We're in the final 5 minutes. And guys, we are 10 subscribers away from 67,900. 10 more subscribers, and that will trigger the big show here live. Some say you haven't lived unless you've seen the big show. And the next 10 people to subscribe are going to get good luck for 18 months.
It's science.
It's science! Don't be left behind. Guys, do we need a baby gator? I do live streams all around the world, not just charts. It was not that long ago that I was in Egypt, and you all told me to literally get on a camel.
Take the camel, guys. Camel cam, guys. That's just some here.
The name Daisy.
Daisy the camel, guys. Good girl. Oh, wow, look at the 3 pyramids, guys.
We're so close, guys. Only 6 more subscribers for the big show. We need a big show going into the weekend, and I think I'm going to need to do the baby gator call on this one. It wasn't that long ago I was in Boca Raton, and you all taught me the baby gator call.
Okay, try to do the baby gator noise. Here we go. How do you do the baby gator noise? Yeah. I don't know. Whoa, whoa, what was that? It was a giant lizard just jumped. That thing was massive. I thought I actually summoned an alligator for a second there.
And ladies and gentlemen, some scientists say that 90% of the time, every time, the baby gator call can turn a red candle green or a green candle to a BGC. It's science.
It's science.
It just turned green momentarily. Did you guys see that? Yeah, it's green again. And we are 5 subscribers away from the big show. Only 5 more subscribers. Keep it going. This market's going to close here in 3 minutes. And we've got a green candle forming here. If you guys want the big show, we got to get more people here to subscribe. So smash the like button. We're only 25 away from 300. Wow, we're so close. Let's go and check over on Facebook. I got that chat open over here. 1 second. Shout out to everyone watching on Facebook right now. We got Lawrence. We got David on Facebook. We got some crustaceans over there dropping crabs. And we, ladies and gentlemen, are just 2 minutes and 30 seconds away from this market closing. Whoa. That is a pretty decent green candle here. Are we going to fight back and finish above 70? We want to. My goal is for us to finish above that orange line, guys. 70. 70. But ladies and gentlemen, it appears the baby gator has worked.
It's science.
90% of the time, every time, remember. 5 subscribers away from the next big show. I do giveaways all the time, guys. Subscribe, join the party. Okay, here we go. 2 minutes. I have some really good guests coming on the shows and soon. On Monday morning, I'm going to have Backyard Bullion on the show. He's about to break 100,000 subscribers. He's a great content creator from the UK. I've met him in person. I bought silver off of him. Like, I've got multiple pieces of silver. Like, he made this. Whoa. He made this one for me. And a bunch of other, like, he made this one for me. Really cool silversmith. So he's going to be on the show Monday morning. And then sometime in the next week, Bald Money Guy is going to be on the show. Here we go. 1 minute and 20 seconds left. Bald Guy Money, is that what I said? Rudy sent me. Love the channel. Thank you so much, Barefoot House. Appreciate the super chat. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, we are about to have a 1 minute warning here till market close. Oh, they just smashed it to a red last second. We're under attack. We are under attack. We are under attack. We are under attack. We are under attack. 46 seconds left. 69.72 silver. Gold 49. 4,493. There we go. And that's all she wrote. The chart's going to stop moving. Oneida closes a little early, opens a little late. So 69.72. But let's see how we did here. We finished the trading session day up 2.56%. Let's see the weekly. Let's see the weekly. Ladies and gentlemen, we did it. We finished on a green candle, the first green candle in 4 weeks. Yes! So we got the weekly green candle on silver. Let's check with gold here. That's what we wanted. 1 week. And yes, we got the green candle on gold as well. Big news. That's what we wanted. That's what we wanted. That's what we wanted. And that's what we got. So weekly candles green for gold and silver. Again, on the trading session, gold opened 2.4%, silver up 2.56%. And these are not going to move until Sunday evening. So the market's closed for the weekend. Sunday evening at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we'll see these charts start to move again. And that will be for the new week's trading session. And I will be streaming that live Sunday evening at 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, so make sure you subscribe, turn on those notifications for that. Gold to silver ratio is going to be frozen all weekend at 64.45. And Shanghai Futures Exchange, it closed today at 79.86 on a green candle, so 79.86, 69, so about a $10 premium from the west to the east. And the next time this chart's going to be moving is going to be Sunday evening at 9 p.m., so 3 hours after silver and gold starts to trade again. What's up, Slow Stacker? Good to see you. Brian says his chart is still moving. I follow Oneida. It's one of the most accurate. Let's see what other charts are out there. Pyth's closed. Forex is closed. They should all be closed now because it's 5:01. They should all be, there should not be a chart moving. I'm checking them all. Yeah, they're all closed. FX open. Yep. Closed. 69.72 for silver. Had a strong finish today. After attacks all week. This was a very death-defying week for silver. Gold as well ended on a green candle for the weekly. But for the 5 minutes what we watched, they were both red, but that's okay. Okay, there we go. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to go here. Okay, channel members, we will be going to the war room in 10 minutes. Let me give you guys this. Oh, guys, we are 1 subscriber away from the big show. We are 1 subscriber away from the big show. Who's it going to be? The next person to subscribe, you're going to trigger the big show. And if that's not enough motivation for you, I gave away over 100 ounces of silver in 2025, 800 1/2 gold backs, a bunch of copper, and some other gold. In 2026, I gave away 30 ounces of silver so far, a bunch of copper, and some gold. And I'm about to give all this away in the next mega giveaway. You got to be subscribed. We got a ton of copper here, premium copper. Like really cool stuff. Look at this. And as I load silver back in here, all this is being given away. We're up to over 30 ounces. All you got to do is subscribe, turn on those notifications. But yeah, again, Sunday evening, 6 p.m. I'll be live. Or 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time I'll be live. I think I'm going to go live tomorrow looking at some fake coins. If you guys want me to do a fake coin stream tomorrow, let me know. Look, there's some Scottsdale silver gold there. Put fake in chat if you guys want me to do it. I do streams on fake gold and silver to kind of help you guys realize and teach you how to spot fakes. Something I do. So if that didn't motivate somebody to subscribe and the big show, I don't know what will. Ladies and gentlemen, I think we did it. Oh, Sal shouted me out his last video. I'll check it out. Thank you. Here we go. Here we go. Did we do it? Did we do it? Did we do it? 67,900. Thank you so much. It's time for the big show.
Championship featuring regional finalists from all
across the
United States competing for the title of America's best aerobic athlete. Presenting the reigning 1987 Crystal Light National Aerobic Champions.
4 times.
The 4-time Crystal Light Champion, International Stacker.
Thank you so much. The name's International Stacker, coming to you live from Key West, Florida, where I'm closer to Cuba than a Walmart. 4-time Crystal Light Champion. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Wow. What a wild way to finish the week. The subscribers, we ended on a green candle as well. I'm so glad we're going into the weekend having seen a big show. Nothing sets you up for a better weekend, I think, honestly. So again, we have a bunch of giveaways coming soon. Oh! Do you guys want the update on the battle crab? I gave it this morning. Let me show you guys the battle crab that's coming. Here it is. Now, there's a version. You see how he has armor on? And you see how this version, he doesn't have armor. So there's going to be 500 of these minted in silver. Again, we're finalizing the design. And we got to get the dies made and everything, so it's going to take a while. But there's going to be 500. Mintage of this is going to be 500. But there's 450 of these and only 50 of the battle crab variant wearing the armor. Okay? So randomly people as they buy this coin, randomly 50 of you are going to get the Battle Crab variant. So really this version, there'll be a mintage of 450. And this version, there'll be a mintage of only 50. Whoa. That's going to be epic. And you know what else is epic? Thank you so much, Michael. Michael just gifted 5 International Stacker memberships. Those went to Winter Z, Angry Warrior, Wild One, Barefoot House, and Lost Soul. Congratulations. You just got free custom channel member memberships. Say thank you to Michael D. Check out your custom channel member emojis. And we're going to the War Room channel members in just 6 minutes. I'll see all the channel members in the War Room in 6 minutes. What happens in the War Room stays in the War Room. Clothing is not optional. That's the member-only live streams I do here twice a week, at least, on the channel. I do one at the beginning of the week in the morning and one at the end of the week in the evening. But what did you guys think of that design with the Battle Crab? Did you guys like the Battle Crab design, and did you like my idea of having the rare variant? That was my idea. A little trick up my sleeve. Oh, yeah. Someone's asking how many winners for that giveaway there'll be. Yeah, there's going to be at least 3 grand prizes that are given away in the giveaway. And then there's going to be at least probably another 10 crab bag winners. So that's 13 winners. And there'll probably be a few more. I always do random things. Wow. Thank you so much, Bridget, for becoming a channel member. Check out your new custom channel member emojis. And I'll be seeing you in the War Room in just 5 minutes. Who's ready for the War Room today? KTM saying, can we help Ida get to 2,500? She wants to have a giveaway. Ooh. Yeah. Let's see what she's at. Let's see what Miss Ida's at. Let's see what she's at. Go to channel. Let's see. We've crab rated her a bunch. Wow, you're close. So, you guys, I guess Miss Ida's going to be doing a giveaway at 2,500. So, I'll drop this link in chat if you feel so inclined to go subscribe. And if you win that giveaway, you got to pay your... Because the Goblin always gets its due. And then it gets it all and it gives it away to you. And the mega giveaway. Who's ready for the mega giveaway? No, little foot silver stacker. Clothing is not optional in the War Room. You must come fully clothed. A big shout out to everyone on Facebook that's watching as well. We do have a whole community of people now on Facebook that are tuning in. It's peeking through the window, so to speak. So thank you and shout out to everyone there. Oh, wow. We got people talking in there. Nice. You're a pumper, says Variable. That's funny. Guys, people used to call me, oh, did you see my last message? Let me look up Christopher. People used to call me a silver pumper when silver was 16. They said it would never go back over 20 again. Christopher, I'm looking up. I don't see your message. Maybe send it again, or is it on X? Did you tweet it at me? Maybe you tweeted it at me. That's not why gold went higher. Why should stock show? Okay, that's in response to the thing. International Stacker, the board is red, but gold and silver are up. Let's go, says Bam. Christopher, where's the message you sent me? Quick, before the crabs get loose, says Shotgun Susie. That's funny. Thank you. Thank you, Sicilian. Christopher, I'm not seeing it. Going to let Tiger know to send one of the $2.50 to you for the mega. Guys, whoa! Christopher Van Houten won 2.90% half dollars last night, and he's gonna keep one, and he's gonna have 1 cent to add to the mega giveaway. It's gonna go there in that treasure chest. That's awesome. Thank you, Christopher. That's amazing. Guys, can we chant Christopher's name in chat? There's gonna be a lot of happy winners on that puppy. And thank you so much, guys. Before the weekend, before we got to the weekend, we got to 67,914 subscribers. You are all mega. Fly you to the moon, Ida saying. Ida wants to take a trip to the moon.
Fly me to the moon. Let me play among the stars.
So mega. Minute and 58 seconds, members, till we go to the War Room here. Keep smashing that like. We're only 26 away from 400. Uh-huh. And War Room members, I got something to leak to you when we're in there. Something to leak. Something silly to leak. Does someone win the treasure chest? No. Silver Surfer coins. I'm going to keep the chest for subsequent mega giveaways. That's the plan. Subsequent mega giveaways. So I'm just going to keep the chest. That was donated by Blue Shadow. That's pretty cool. So the next time I'm going to be live, ladies and gentlemen, I think I'm going to do a fake stream tomorrow. So I'll probably be live sometime tomorrow. And then Sunday evening for market open at 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We need to pause that. Ladies and gentlemen, it is now time to count down to the war room. Channel members, prepare yourselves for the war room. We're going to be going there. You should be taken automatically. You should be taken automatically, but in case you're not, give it 30 seconds. If you're not, just go to my channel and click membership, and you should see it in there. But when I say you're going to be taken automatically, it's going to pop up and ask you, and you have to click yes. So channel members, put on your armor. We're going to be going in 30 seconds. For everyone who's not going, thank you so much. I appreciate you all so much. I'll see everybody hopefully tomorrow on a fake live stream, and then Sunday evening for market open. So to everyone not coming to the war room, I'll say CYOTNO. Catch you on the next one. Channel members, we are going to the war room here in just 15 seconds. Get ready to hold your breaths. You might be transported underwater. Here we go. 10 seconds here till we go. Buckle up. I need you all to buckle up. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go.